नमस्कार। अभी मणिपुर प्रदेश भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लेजिस्लेटिव पार्टी के नए चुने हुए सदस्यगण सब, न्यूली इलेक्टेड एमएलए गण सब इधर चुने हैं कि उनके अपनी लेजिस्लेटिव पार्टी के नेता कौन होंगे। श्री बीरेन सिंह जो अभी सिटिंग चीफ मिनिस्टर है, अभी केयरटेकर चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं, उनको यूनानिमसली the newly elected legislative assemblies members have chosen him as the leader of the legislative party of the BJP, Manipur Pradesh. I would like to now give a bouquet to the newly elected leader. It's good. It's a good decision taken unanimously by everybody, and it will ensure that Manipur has a very good, stable, and responsible government, which will build further, because centre today, under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, gives special attention to the northeast states, and therefore I think this decision will go a long way in providing Manipur stability and a good governance, together with all the MLAs who won, because the people of Manipur have been so good in trusting and also giving the support by electing with majority BJP government. So I thank the people of Manipur, and I assure the people of Manipur that there will be a very good government which will run for the benefit of all the people of Manipur and ensure that everyone is included in the process of development. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, man. All the best.